German Ship Repair Jamaica Limited, GSR's 235-meter-long Panamax-size floating dry dock called Jam Dock 1 is moored at the entity's shipyard along the Sir Florizel Glaspole Highway off the Kingston Harbour. The GSR and Jamaica's first ever floating dry dock was commissioned in the last quarter of 2023. It is equipped with cutting-edge technology to lift vessels out of the water for repairs. The dry dock has not been operational long, but already reports suggest that it has begun reaping success.
We have the first job that was completed. It was a ship called the Mexican Giant, and that ship is a heavy lift carrier that came out of Mexico that works with the oil industry in the Gulf of Mexico. The process was a little bit slower than we wanted. The Mexican authorities and the owners of the vessel was very, very pleased with the quality of the work at the end of the day. So we were very proud of that.
German Ship Repair Jamaica has since moved on to a second project, the Vikrant Dolphin. This is a diving support barge registered in St. Kitts and operating in the Gulf of Mexico within the offshore oil industry. Jamaica receives approximately 3,000 port calls, while about 180,000 vessels operate within the region. The GSRJ is looking to capitalize on the economic growth potential of that as it continues its phased development.
We're now starting to see the successes. We have a long way to go in terms of our development to complete that, but really and truly it has been a success already after the first job was completed and that vessel set sail.
Sights are set on building out a model apprenticeship program for Jamaican youth by partnering with the Caribbean Maritime University CMU. This will create a pool of individuals with international grade technical skills.
This is especially important to us in Jamaica. You have an arrangement with the Jamaican shipyard to make sure that our graduates right there at CMU are trained here. That increases our productivity. So what I see is that the German shipyard here in Jamaica is creating a new paradigm where productivity at the highest German level is brought here and will raise everybody who works with you. Any contractor who works with you has to work at the international level. That simply means that they have to be more productive. They have to be well trained, they have to be certified, which of course HART does, which of course CMU does, UTEC.
We have a number of persons from India, from Chile, also from Germany. Obviously we have from Poland and so on. So we have a number of persons and we're still in the process of recruiting more. These persons are working very, very closely with our local persons in the same fields, so the knowledge transfer is happening.
The upskilling of our labor force is fantastic. The quality that is going to come out of the investment made here, we believe will be a game changer for the country. And we're excited for it, and we just want to thank the German Ship Repair for the partnership.
While there are plans to install additional docks, the immediate focus is to finish construction on Phase 1 of the development. This includes building out a new state-of-the-art workshop for engine and steel fabrication works.